Hi mamas, welcome back once again to Mommy's Yum. My name is Chioma and today we are going to be making babies yam pottage, yam porridge, whatever you call it, yam pottage or yam porridge mash for baby. This is suitable for babies from 8 to 9 months and above, but that is dependent on whether you've started your baby with solid food from 6 months. At least now you know they are able to graduate to eating mashed food where they can use their gums. You know, babies' gums are really hard. They can use it to chew. They can actually use it to bite. You know, breastfeeding moms can tell you that babies can bite even without teeth. So this yam pottage mash is good for babies to start to enjoy and learn that art of chewing food, so that when they are getting up to 1 year, you can introduce them to the normal family food that we eat. Now, yam is our traditional food, and when you are making it for the family, you can also make for baby instead of giving your baby the one that is made for the family, which has a lot of ingredients that may not be suitable for their tender system at this moment, but still they are getting to enjoy what they are enjoying, but in their own baby form. So that is what we are going to do. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've subscribed, thank you. Welcome to Mommy's Yum to the new ones. And also, please give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that already. Support this channel to grow, help YouTube to promote my channel, and also share and comment. I'll really appreciate that. So I'm going to start by peeling the yam. Like I said, it's just a piece of yam. Just one slice from the big tuber of yam is enough to make this recipe for your baby. I'm going to cut it into small pieces. Now you can see I'm just cutting it into cubes. This makes it faster to cook, so it doesn't take time. You don't have to sweat or slave in the kitchen because you're making baby's food. Wash the yam thoroughly. And then put it in a pot and then add water to cook. Just water, just enough water to cook it is enough. If when you finish cooking and you feel the water is still too much, you can drain it off before we go into the next stage. So you can see my yam is soft now. It takes less than 10 minutes or 15 minutes to get this soft, and you can see that. So I'm going to drain off some of the water. I'm going to keep it by the side because I might still need it. And then I'm going to put in my vegetable puree. If you watched my earlier video, you will see how I made this vegetable puree, and I'll put a link in the description box and up here for you to see how I made this. This contains like 4 vegetables and it's tasty, and that is it. There's nothing else to add. It also contains oil, so you've got everything in it. And that is baby's yam pottage, all made without any fuse, without any stress. Fish powder to it. That's the protein that is going into it now. You all know I'm going to maybe do a recipe of how to make a baby's crayfish powder for you, but it's basically grinding your crayfish into powder, but making sure that you wash it very well. And I'm going to put up a recipe anyway. So add the crayfish powder into it. Gently mash it well. As you can see, I'm using a fork to mash it, and I'm trying to make sure that there are still lumps in it because you want your baby to start chewing, have the opportunity to chew their food. And that's it, moms. If you make this yam pottage, yam porridge, as we said before, don't forget to leave a comment, give a feedback, and please consider subscribing if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up, please. Support Mommy's Yum to grow, and see you in my next video. Bye.